Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain how we can install the JDK version in Mac. Let's get into it. Go to any of the browser and search for the version which you want to download. For example, I want to download Java 11. Check for it and go to the official version from Oracle. So let's go to this. We have a lot of versions are available based on the OS. You can download it like Linux, Mac OS or Windows. I'm downloading for Mac OS and DMG installer. Just you have to accept the terms and condition and click on download. So it will start downloading. If you have not logged into the Oracle website, you have to log in into the credentials. Here I have already logged into it, so that is why I did not ask any credentials. And if you are very new to this Oracle site, just you can create an account and you have to log in into that one. Let me check whether it is downloaded or not. Yeah, almost downloaded. Yes, it is download successful. Once it is downloaded, double click on this DMG file and it will open this package file. Just double click on this one. Then it will start downloading. It start installing the application. Click on install. You have to enter the laptop password. Now it has started installing the JDK version. Now it is installed successfully. Once it is done, just it is asked whether you want to keep this installer or you want to move it to the bin. Just click on move it to bin. No, that's it. Now we are able to install the JDK successfully into the Mac. Thank you.